Hello everyone, and welcome back to uGenesys. In today's session, I'll guide you through a swift and indispensable technique for calculating lot sizes in just 2 seconds. Understanding the significance of this calculation is crucial for maintaining a stable equity curve in your trading journey. By consistently managing your risk, you lay the groundwork for gradual growth in your trading account. And let's bypass tools such as spreadsheets and jump into the quickest method directly on your MT5 platform. So let's start by incorporating our Market Keys Trade Manager onto our chart. And you can adjust your stop loss effortlessly. Let's put this at 20 pips and our risk at 5% and hit calculate. And you can see how rapidly it computes the lot size for us. And in this example, we have a total of 8.17 lots. And with this lot size at your disposal, you can make well-informed decisions when entering trades. And clicking on buy unveils this graphical representation on the chart, and here you can fine-tune your stop loss, your target, and your risk to reward ratio as well. And beyond our Execute tab, you can explore our Manage tab for handling trades, our Stats tab to monitor trades, and our Secure tab to prevent you from overtrading. And so to get our Market Keys Trade Manager, you can click on the link in the description below. Thank you once again for joining us, and happy trading!